This is a little bit of a different start, isn't it? For cuppa instead of soap. Also have this. Woohoo! Alright, backstory, because, you know, a bag full of stuff means nothing to the majority of you. I have a subscriber named Becky who has been a bit laid up. So she decided, oh look at this, we also have a visitor, who decided to send me a bunch of stuff because she enjoys watching my videos, which is awesome. Thank you, Becky. So I thought to show you my appreciation and to show you, I've got like 6 bags of stuff into this, and I went, I have to show everybody what's in here because I don't know what's down in the bottom. So, but yeah, look at this. Oh, cornflower petals. So yeah, so I'm moving on Friday. It's Tuesday and I'm stressed, and I thought I could do a little unboxing, unbagging I guess, video. So let's make sure no one's address is showing on the camera. Look, chrysanthemums. I'm actually really looking forward to using these specifically. I already have a soap in mind for these. Obviously it's going to be blue. Rose petals. Oh, there's just, well, this is, I didn't, like I said, I didn't get very far into the video, into the bag before I thought, I have to film this. So you guys are probably thinking it's really boring, but you're not getting any soap today because, no, I'm moving on Friday and it's Tuesday and I still haven't packed half my house. So, oh, and these two, the safflower petals, I have an idea for those as well. So, and glitters. Love me some bling. She just sent me just like everything, hey. I'm actually getting down to about where I was now. Little pipettes. You can always use pipettes. Because she asked me, what do you want? I said, just send me whatever you want. I said, don't feel like you have to send me anything. So, oh, okay. I think the spatulas. These are like the bluntest scissors ever. Yes. Oh, I like those. Oh, I like those very much. There's just going to be too much stuff here in a minute. Alright. Oh, I didn't see those before. So we're getting into the stuff now that I haven't seen. Oh, jasmine buds. They're so beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? Look at them. I need to do another soap with those on them. I need to do another jasmine soap, I think. Oh, what's this? Calendula petals. Oh, yeah, I love calendula. Oh, dear. Oh, more rose. Look at all these botanicals. I don't buy botanicals very often, so I'm going to have to specifically make sure I do something with those. More fake flowers. They're good. They'll be good in for my dolls and things. So, Beck, you've outdone yourself, girl. I tell ya. Dusk mask. Yes. Oh, awesome. Yes. Oh, look, another dust mask. I use those all the time. What's this? Oh. Shrink bags. Yay. Use them all the time too. Ooh. There'll be some samples happening in these. There's just some now. See, now we're up to where I don't know. That was it. That was all I got out of there. So you can see how well packed that is in there. Okay. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. I have no idea what they are. Are they what, little perfume bottles or something? Oh, they're little roll-on bottles, guys. Check them out. How cute are they? Holy cow. Oh, they're awesome. How good are they going to be in the shop? This will be me, the whole video. I'll just be, oh, that's me, when I'm excited, so. Always with a, I can see glitter in there. We'll take the fake flowers, because, you know, actually these are really good. I want to do a doll, cherry blossom doll. And these would work, like the pale pink ones. Yay! Now I don't have to worry about buying any. Oh, what's this? Organic heather flowers. Oh, these are way smaller than the ones I've got. They're so pretty. Wow, look at that. Alright, I'm going to get the glitter. because who does? Look at all the glitters! Look at all the glitters! There's so many in there! I'm not going to unpack them because I'm moving in 4 days. 3 days. Oh fuck, 3 days. Oh, and I just swore. Whatever. I'm so stressed, God. I'm so stressed! Oh, look at those. Oh my god, they're iridescent. And I actually think there might be some... There's some hollows in there. Oh, Christine would be happy. Oh yes, look. No, iridescent, not hollow. So, we all love a hollow taco. I love Christine. If you don't know who I'm talking about Simply Nailogical. The lady that does I don't know. I'll be an Aussie and say the chick that does a channel. She's crazy about holographic stuff. She's a holosexual, as we all are. And yeah. Oh look, there's little stars. Oh look, little hearts. Oh my god. Oh, there's too much stuff. There's too much good stuff. Oh, Becky, you've totally spoilt me. Oh, and more. Oh my god. I am literally, in this lifetime, I will never run out of glitter. I love glitter so much. I'm a hoarder too, so no, I'm craft prepared. More glitters. Ooh, ooh, oh, look at this. Can you guys see that one on the end here? This one, the pink with the orange and yellow in it. That's sexy. Ew. Yeah, no, that's iridescent or duochrome. See, I know the difference. Christine would be proud of me. Oh, look at this! Oh, look at these hearts. They're like unicorn hearts. They're so cool, and there's stars. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. I have no idea what. Oh, I know what that is. Oh, I was gonna buy some of this. It's actually like it's like flaky holographics. This is actually holographic. Ah! Oh, there's too much stuff. Oh. Ribbon. Oi, ribbon. And more ribbon. Oh, look at this. Oh no. It's bias. Oh my god, it's ribbon bias binding. Girl, you are going to make some kids super happy because that's going on aprons for kids. It's ribbon. Oh wow. I've never used that before. I mean, I've used bias binding before, obviously, but never... What? No, is that bias binding? Guys, look how pretty that is! Oh, wow. This is how you keep me happy. Give me a bag of shit. Not shit, it's awesome stuff. But look at this! I have to make myself something. That's so cool! I'm so easily pleased, aren't I? Alright, there's a whole bunch of... Oh, Mica. That looks like the bubblegum bliss. These are not from Amanda. Don't hate me, Amanda. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. It's so pearly. Oh, there's so many different colours. Ooh, some have actual names on them. Oriental red. Mosaic gold. That's really pretty. I like that. One, I can smell something in there. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at that blue. What's that? Dream blue. That's really nice. Purple rose. That's really nice. That's nice too. Colourful blue. Okay, I like that. Oh, and there's more. Oh, there's more. Oh, look at that. Grass green. It's not anything like grass, but it's a beautiful green, isn't it? Wow, if my grass looked like that, it'd be awesome. I don't have any grass. It's dead. Yeah. Do I need to comment on that at all? Really? No. No, I do not. If you've been to this channel before, you know that that's my favourite colour. That's my favourite colour. I was at the markets on yesterday. No, on Sunday. And someone who's been a friend of mine for like 30 odd years, he says, "You're glowing today." And I don't know why he said that, but I said it's because I didn't have black on. I actually had a pale blue shirt on. He said, "Oh yeah, might be." I'm also like stressed, so there's probably like all these waves of stress just going wiggly 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 off me. So sorry, I gotta drink my cup before it goes cold. I'm gonna go to the psych at 11 o'clock. So what's this? Oh wow! Oh wow! Look. I can have a go at colouring some soap with natural colourants, because I'm pretty sure this goes like purple or something weird. Awesome. Oh my god, this is like the best bag of shit ever. Not shit. Oh, I've tried eating these things, but they're not very nice. They're cacao nibs. They just, I don't like dark chocolate anyway. I bought some off Amanda at my Mica Obsession. Thought, oh yeah, I could probably eat those. Yeah, no, I can't eat those. Oh, look, more that would work as cherry blossoms. Awesome. Oh, what's this? Alk. Oh my god, alkanet root powder as well. More. So I'm going to have to do an organic month. Maybe we might do January or something. I don't know. I don't know what's happening in my life at this point, guys. Oh, what's this? That is some sort. Oh, it's the Australian pink clay, maybe. It's definitely clay though. Which just leaked a little bit. it's a little clay down in the bottom of the bag. What is that? I have no idea what that is, but it's really cool. It's like, shut up! Sorry, he's been windy this morning. He's had 2 breakfasts, mind you, because he ate his and Sox's. Woogly! Stop it! What? Come on! Come on! Yeah, it looks like, sunflowers or something. Like really, really refined sunflowers. I don't know, I have no idea. I'm sure Becky will tell me. What's this? Oh! These are these little tiny little balls that you, like you do nail art. Nail art. Because there's any room there to do any art of any kind. There will be. What is that? Oh, this is the gold leaf. She did say, after I just released that video with my gold leaf fail, she said there was gold leaf in the bag. So look at that. Ah, yay! Oh, okay, that is 2 giant bags. No, we've got Aussie yellow clay from Salon Supplies, bronze, Burswood, Western Australia. Oh, okay. Yes, gotta love me a good clay. And then there's some clay in the bag. I've just got a mouthful of it. Oh, look at this. This is Dead Sea Mud. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, so good. That's what I can smell. That's the smell in everything, because it's got a smell to it. So, Dead Sea Mud. I wonder if the smell will stick in the soap. And then this one is creamy clay. Okay. Well, I'm just going to put them straight back in the bag, because I'm going to have to repack this anyway. But there you go. How awesome is this? How awesome is this for a person to just send me this stuff for free? And she specifically said she didn't want anything back. Although she's going to get something back. Whether she likes it or not, because I have her address now, so she doesn't get the choice. Although it won't be till I move. Alright, so I think I will leave it at that. Oh, you guys, look at my clay hands. You guys don't want to see me packing it all back up again, do you? But yes, I just want to say I didn't make this video to show off or flex, as the kids call it, which I think is fucking stupid. Or encourage anyone to send me anything, because I really don't want to encourage you to do that. I am just happy for you to watch my videos and get some enjoyment out of them if you can. But I did want to make this because, like, I was super stressed. And also because I wanted to say thank you to Becky for sending me such a big bag of wonderful stuff. What? Something going on. Can you guys hear that? I think it's, I don't know, ambulance maybe? Don't know. But yes, so yeah, so thanks Becky for all of this. It's friggin', oh, there's silver, and you can see there's silver and copper and maybe some rose gold in there as well. Why did you see this is my problem, is I would never give all this stuff up even if I never used it, so I guess I am a hoarder. I'm a hoarder. I'm not. I mean, I'm not in a bad way. Like, I have a hard time giving up, like, glitters and anything that I think that will come up as a craft thing in the future. Like, I bought these one time when I went to Kmart. I have no friggin' clue what I'm going to use them for, but I'm not throwing them away because I know at some point they'll come in handy, and I've got like 4 boxes of them. So I did actually make bath milk in at one point. So yeah. So Brie can just shut up. I'm not a hoarder. Yeah, I know. Yeah, right. Okay. I'm just gonna go because this is 15 minutes long and I'm not editing it at all. I am simply just going to chuck an intro and an outro and an overlay and call it good. So you get 15 minutes of me waffling on, unboxing or unbagging a bag of awesomeness. Which, I mean, like, there's glitters. There's glitters everywhere. There's glitters. Oh my god. This is just so much cool stuff. Thanks, Becky. Alright, guys. This, I don't know when the next video will be. I haven't made the unicorn poo soap. I'm really sorry. It's one that takes a couple of hours to make. So I just literally haven't had the time. I still haven't even got about half the house packed up. And it's already Tuesday and I'm moving on Friday morning. So, yeah, I don't know when I'll be set up to make another video for soap. So if I don't see you for any new ones, I've still got some older ones there that I'll upload for you, and I've got some resin videos and that. So hopefully you won't mind if I upload those instead. But I'm hoping to be back on track as quick as possible because I have all next week off now instead of doing a pop-up. So hopefully all next week I can get the big garage organised, and then I'm going to ring today about the shop. And so yeah, so everything's just sort of like crazy. I'm sure you guys will forgive me this once. It's not like I haven't moved 1,000 times before. Here's Boogly, he's come to say hello. No, he's gone, he's going to inspect all the boxes. Alright guys, still waffling. I will see you hopefully really soon. If not, wish me luck. I hope you guys are all doing really well and not moving house. And I'll see you for the next one. Bye.